everyone, myself Vaishnav from 9th standard. I'm from Nivedita school. Today I'm gonna explain about microscope. Microscope is a scientific instrument used to magnify an image of an object which cannot be seen by a naked eyes. It works on a principle of magnification in which lens enlarge the image of an object so we can study about it. A compound microscope consists of reflecting mirror, stage, objective lens, eyepiece lens, adjustable knots, and light source. When the light source enters the specimen placed on the stage, it will be magnified by an objective lens and then enlarged by a eyepiece lens so we can get a clear-cut image of an object. Now I have added salt on one slide and covered it by other slide. Now we will place this slide under the objective lens. Observation of salt crystals. When salt crystals are observed under microscope, they appear small, well-defined, cube-shaped crystalline structure. So, this observation shows us that salt has a normal, regular, geometric shape, and microscope help us to understand the microscopic world and the structure of non-living things and living things in detail. Thank you.